I was invited to your party, remember?
Yes, but then I uninvited you. Remember that?
No, I don't.
I think you'd have enough good taste to know when you're not wanted.
But I don't have taste, remember? I'm, crude and mean
Tom,
and vulgar.
go away, please. Stop it, Tom. Go away.
Oh, lovely. Isn't that lovely? Very good taste. Oh, I'm sorry. How crude and mean
Tom,
and
please.
vulgar.
Let me talk to you, Tom.
All right. Gentlemen, would you please conduct yourselves properly until we join you?
Put another record on. I'll be right in. I don't know what you hope to accomplish.
We had a date.
I don't care. I told you I didn't want you gone.
And you're going to keep it.
You can't make me.
You're coming with me.
Excuse me. I have guests inside.
You're coming with me. I said you're coming with me.
How can you beat a man who wears a hat like his, huh?
What's the matter with this hat, Doctor?
Oh, it's like playing against a schooner with a balloon spinnaker. Ooh, makes me seasick just to look at it.
Oh, I need this hat. It turns me from my usual shy, retiring self into a tiger. I'd be lost without it.
Shy retiring. Hey, Bert, you ever argue a case against shy retiring Jones?
You know, I can't say I've ever had the pleasure.
Now, he argues like he plays golf. He cuts, slices, wallops, smashes, bellows, howls.
Gross exaggeration. I'm the essence of sweet reasonableness. Double scotch.
Now, look, Link, now why don't you city slickers stay where you belong? Now, with us out here, golf is fun, not a life and death struggle.
Yeah, Bird, isn't there some statute you can prosecute him on? Like carrying golf clubs across the state line or something?
All right. Just don't let them bother you, Counselor. You can play golf with me anytime you want to.
Gentlemen.
As long as you win.
Thank you. Hey, Ed. Lincoln Jones, this is Ed Harcum.
How do you do,
Nice
Mr.
to meet you,
Jones?
Mr. Hargan.
How's Sue, Ed?
Oh, she's coming along fine. She may have a small scar on her jaw where he hit her, but aside from that, she'll be okay, thank God. She'll be ready for the hearing, Bert. She'll be a star witness for you. Her testimony will help you put that kid where he belongs. Well, I'd better get out there and hit a few so I can have an excuse for another one of those, huh? Nice to meet you, Mr. Jones.
Nice to have met you, sir.
See you, fellas.
See you, Ed.
That's a shame, you know. Sweet kid like Sue going through an experience like that. Some kid pulled her out of her home and beat her up.
Oh, Prowler? No, that's the shocker. The boy's from here, Tom Snyder. Grew up with her. Comes from a good family.
Poor Tommy could never stay out of trouble.
Hearing in juvenile court? Yeah. Grand jury indicted, among other things, kidnapping.
Kidnapping?
Well, that's a capital crime. That's a rough one.
Juvenile hearings are formality. The way the feeling is, he'll go to criminal court. And they'll throw the book at him.
How old is he?
16.
16?
And 2 months.
A 16-year-old in criminal court?
Oh, come on now, Link, you know the law.
Well, of course I know the law. 16 and they automatically become eligible for criminal court, and the law's ridiculous. Birch, you know this is a juvenile case.
No, Link. The law is the law, and in this case it serves the community very nicely.
What?
Look, this is a good place to live, Link. There's never been any hoodlumism here, and there's not about to be any.
That boy ought to be put away. You know, all the other kids are trying to imitate him.
That's right.
He has his own little gang now.
I don't care what he's got. A 16-year-old is still a child no matter what the law says. Now, tell me something, all of you. Is he a hardened criminal? Doctor, you know him. Would you say he was a hardened criminal?
Well, Link, I'm a medical man. I'm not a social worker.
I'll tell you how tough he is, Link. He wants to go to criminal court so he can play the big shot.
What difference does it make what he wants?
Oh, you don't understand. You know, the boy won't talk to any attorney picked by his father. He clams up.
You mean he hasn't got counsel yet?
Not now, but the court will appoint somebody.
I just hope it isn't me. I want to stay away from this one. It's hot. And I live here.
You're all ducking out, huh?
Look, Link, why don't you go see Babyface for yourself, huh? Then maybe you see what we mean.
Well, I might just do that, Bert. I'd like to hear what he has to say.
I didn't ask you to come here.
No, you didn't, Tom. You don't know me. I don't know you, so we start from scratch. I'm just an out-of-town lawyer who's interested in the law. Right now, I'm more interested in the law than I am in you. Is that all right?
Yeah, sure, that's all right.
Tom, do you know what's involved in this hearing in juvenile court?
You're the lawyer, you tell me.
All right. The juvenile court can decide to take your case, but if they decline, your case goes into criminal court. In criminal court, you can get anything up to life. Now, I haven't decided whether to take your case, Tom. But if I express a willingness, I'm sure the court would appoint me your counsel. Of course, I want to talk to your father first.
You can't, he's out of town. On a business trip.
What about your mother?
You want to go to Europe?
Well, is that where she is?
That's where she lives. With her husband.
No, I don't think I want to go to Europe.
She wrote me she'd come back for the trial. If she has to.
You want her?
Who needs her?
All right, Tom, do you want me to take your case?
I'm not asking you to.
All right, let's put it this way. Do you have any objections?
No? Suit yourself.
I always try to.
But, Mr. Jones, you have a meeting tomorrow.
Oh, the bank.
No, the Halford case.
Alfred case.
That's right.
Oh, that one's okay. That attorney can use a delay. His wife's about to have a baby. Say, I feel very badly about disturbing you and CE on Sunday, Miss Spear, but I have to see the judge in the morning, and I'm not really dressed for the occasion. I'm dressed for the golf club, and that's just about all. And I'm persona non grata out there right now.
Well, all right, I'll have C bring some things up for you. Where are you staying, Mr. Jones?
Where? Just a minute, Miss Spear. I hate to say this, Miss Spear, but it's called the Bide the Wee Motel. Miss Spear? Hello, are you there? Miss Spear?
Yes, Mr. Jones. Bye-bye to we.
Yeah. I apologize. I should have checked it before I registered. Anyway, would you have CE meet me here? And oh, look, remind me that I owe you dinner for disturbing you on Sunday.
All right.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Bye to we.
Mr. Jones, Lincoln Jones?
Yes.
My name's Snyder.
Tom's father.
Regrettably, yes.
I've been trying to locate you, sir.
So I heard when I got back to town. Well, I'm here. I'll have to be taking off again in half an hour. I thought I should talk to you.
Yes, I think we should.
You think the boy's going to take you on?
Yes, I think he will, Mr. Snyder.
That's just like him. He wouldn't talk to any of the lawyers I sent over. Well, this should take care of your immediate expenses.
Oh, that won't be necessary, sir. I'll send you a bill later.
Just as you like. You have your bill ready, send it to me at my home office.
All right. But you know, I'm going to need more than money from you, Mr. Snyder. This hearing.
I don't want to be brought into this hearing, Mr. Jones. I told that boy the last time he got in trouble that the next time he was on his own. When I was his age, I earned my own way. I had to eat. I've done everything I could for that boy. Given him every advantage.
Mr. Snyder.
I'm sorry. I have to be leaving.
Oh, wait a minute now. What's the rush? That boy of yours is in real trouble.
You want to put me on the stand, Mr. Jones?
Yes, I'd like to.
Well, don't try it. What I have to say about that boy won't help him any. Just remember, you involved me in this. You needn't send me your bill.
Mr. Snyder, I'd like you to remember something. Somebody's going to have to pay for this because somebody always does.
Mr. Jones, would you care to make any opening remarks?
Yes, I would. Thank you, Your Honor. Around you're in court. Your Honor, I would like to have it made a matter of record that I am acting with the authorization of the defendant's father, who He's out of town on a business trip. It will be our contention that this community and those closest to Tom Snyder have created an atmosphere in which it was impossible for him to mature properly, either morally or emotionally. And if indeed other persons did contribute to the total guilt, then certainly Tom Snyder's guilt should be diminished to just that degree. If Tom Snyder is found unfit for rehabilitation and therefore a fit subject for the adult criminal court, then those adults who knowingly or unknowingly contributed to the crime should share the prisoner's dock with him. Thank you, Your Honor.
And how many times during his first year in high school was the defendant suspended, Mr. Fairchild?
On 2 occasions, once in each semester.
And were there other occasions after that when discipline in one form or another was called for?
Innumerable. Too many for me to recall offhand. So I took the liberty of making a digest of the boy's disciplinary record.
This is on official school stationery from your office as principal, and this is, I presume, your signature.
That is correct.
Would the defense care to examine?
No, thank you.
I ask that this be admitted as Exhibit A.
It is so ordered.
Then speaking professionally, Mr. Fairchild, how would you characterize the defendant, Tom Snyder?
Unfortunately and reluctantly, as incorrigible.
Thank you, sir. Your witness.
Mr. Fairchild, you've just testified that Tom Snyder made exceptionally high marks on the aptitude and standard intelligence tests given by your school. Is that correct, sir?
That is correct.
And yet you tell the court that he is failing in all his subjects. Now, those two things don't seem to jibe, do they? How much counseling has Tom Snyder received?
Well, I don't know offhand. I know he had some.
You don't know. You didn't take the liberty of making a digest of that record. Is that right?
Well, no, Well, you see, our counseling is quite informal. That's to encourage the students to come to us willingly.
Willingly?
Rather than to make it mandatory.
Oh, I see. Did Tom Snyder come to you willingly?
A few times only, I'm afraid.
Did you try to get him back?
We leave that sort of persuasion to the parents, Mr. Jones.
Did you talk to his father about this, Mr. Fairchild?
Twice, to my recollection.
Twice? Only twice with the problems the boy was having?
Mr. Jones, the area of a school's activity is limited. Both the students and the parents resent too deep an intrusion into family matters.
Oh, I see. Tell me, Miss Fairchild, if you saw someone drowning, would you help?
Of course.
Well, don't you think the same thing applies to a school principal who sees a good student going down the drain?
Well, now, just a minute.
No, answer the question.
Well, that's not fair.
Why isn't it fair? Tell me.
I'll tell you. We're overcrowded and understaffed. We have a big teacher turnover. No, I didn't spend enough time with Mr. Snyder because I don't have enough time. I never have enough time. We don't have enough trained counselors. We don't have enough to pay them. I think it's a shame. A shame in a community as sound as this one.
Sound? Thank you, Mr. Fairchild. That's all, Your Honor.
You may step down, Mr. Fairchild.
Dr. Morse, you've just testified that as the Snyder's family doctor, you treated Tom for the usual childhood diseases. And aside from that, he was a perfectly healthy boy. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Tell me, sir, did you ever observe any emotional disturbances in the boy?
No, nothing serious.
What would you classify as not being serious?
Well, sometime last year, Tom was troubled with what we inadequately describe as an effort syndrome. It's not a serious matter.
Effort syndrome. What were the symptoms of this effort syndrome?
Rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, fatigue, some anxiety.
Anxiety. What did you prescribe for this anxiety, sir?
Mild sedation was called for.
Mild sedation. Any other therapy? Any emotional therapy?
Mr. Jones, what you call emotional therapy is a very delicate area in family medicine. It's up to the parents.
Oh, I see. Then you talked to Tom's father about it?
Yes, I did.
What did he do?
Nothing, I'm afraid.
Nothing. Then you pursued a doctor, did you?
Mr. Jones, I told you that emotional therapy was a family responsibility.
Yes, you did. And as you told me on another occasion, you're a medical man and not a social worker. No further questions? Mr. Harcum, you've stated that Tom Snyder spent a great deal of time in your home. Is that correct?
That's right. He used to hang around, drop in for meals. Said that his father's housekeeper didn't know how to cook. He was underfoot all the time.
Were you concerned about this, sir?
Well, of course, the boy was obviously destructive and unstable.
I see. Did you ever discuss that with your daughter, Sue?
Many times.
Did you ever discuss it with Tom's father?
Mr. Jones, you don't come from this community. We don't intrude ourselves into other people's lives. Mr. Snyder's had a lot of trouble. I wasn't about to add to it.
When Sue and Tom went out on dates, they went in cars, I believe. Either Tom's father's or some other boy's.
That's right. But never alone. Some other boy with a license always did the driving.
And you took the word of this destructive and unstable boy for the fact that he didn't do the driving?
Well, yes, I did. I guess I assumed that a boy from a good... Well, Tom's father's a fine man.
On the night of the alleged incident, Sue was having a teenage party in your home. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Were you or Mrs. Harcum present at that time?
Well, no, we had another engagement. Not far away, we could be reached.
I'm sure Sue's had many other teenage parties in your home. Have you or Mrs. Harcum ever been present on those occasions?
Well, Mr. Jones, you know how young people are. They feel that having the old folks around kind of cramps their style.
No further questions.
You may step down, Mr. Harcum.
All right, now, Sue, let me recapitulate. You say that you resisted when Tom forced his attentions on you.
Yes?
And then you jumped out of a moving car and he drove off and left you alone on a dark street. Now, is that correct?
Yes?
Sue, after your experience, what do you think should be done with Tom Snyder?
Objection, Your Honor. The opinion of the witness as to what should be done with the defendant is completely immaterial.
Objection sustained.
Your witness.
Sue, how old are you?
15.
You're a very pretty girl.
Thank you.
I like your hair. When you first started dyeing it, how old were you?
13.
I move that the answer be stricken from the record for the purposes of objecting to the question. It is completely irrelevant.
Objection sustained, and the answer will be stricken.
Did your father and yourself ever discuss Tom Snyder?
Yes, we did.
Did he ever forbid you to see Tom?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have an argument about it?
Yes, a big one.
Who won?
Your Honor, I object. That question is leading...
I'll rephrase the question. After the argument, did you continue to see Tom?
Yes?
Did you ever encourage his attentions towards you in any way, Sue?
Did I... What do you mean?
Well, let's put it this way. Did you ever, well, as we used to say in my day, go in for necking with him?
No.
You never encouraged Tom in any way?
No, I didn't.
Sue, I have here a copy of a picture that you gave Tom. I believe he carried it with him. I had it enlarged so that we could all see it. Now, I'd like you to tell me...
Stop it! Leave it alone! Stop it! You've got no right! Stop hurting me! You're just like all the rest!
Tom, you've heard the allegations that have been made against you. Do you want to deny any of them?
No. What for? You heard what Mr. Fairchild said. I'm incorrigible.
Is that a source of pride to you? Tom, you're an intelligent boy. I know you've given it some thought. Would you tell us what you'd like to be when you grow up?
Sure. A golf pro.
Oh, do you play golf?
No. I just want to be in all the dirt that gets dished out at the golf club.
Tom, how old were you when your parents were divorced?
13.
What were the grounds for that divorce as you understand them?
Incompatibility?
Incompatibility, that's a complicated term. Do you know what it means?
Sure. It's when your father looks for reasons to take trips out of town, and your mother drinks by herself, and he slaps her around when he is home, only they act very sweet and polite with other people, like nobody knows anything about it. Only everybody does. That's what I know about incompatibility.
Now, wait a minute. Don't you think a man should slap a woman around?
Don't I? What do you mean?
You know what I mean. Answer the question.
Well, you want to know if...
I want to know if you think it's right for a man to slap a woman around.
No.
Then you think it's wrong. That's what your father did to your mother, right? Now, did you enjoy that?
No.
Well, you did it, didn't you? You slapped Sue around.
No, well, I didn't really.
Oh, come on, Tom. Now, let's not kid each other. You enjoyed it, didn't you, Tom?
No, I don't...
Come on, now, tell me. Did you want to hurt her?
Did you? Why should I want to hurt her? I love her. Why should I do a thing like that? She's been good and alive.
Why did you slap Sue around?
I don't... Why? I don't know. I don't know.
Stop it! Stop it!
tears of these two children. And the faces of those children in the back row should prove to this court and this community that this is certainly not a matter for an adult criminal procedure. I have nothing to add. Nothing.
Thomas Snyder, this court must now decide whether to take your case and try you as a juvenile or to turn you over to the criminal court. I think you should know that if the court does decide to take over your problem, Sue's father, Mr. Harcum, wishes to help you in any way he can in whatever corrective or educational process is deemed best for you. Your principal has also offered his help. I tell you these things so that you may reflect on the goodwill of your fellow citizens, even though they may be adults. It is the feeling of this court that you have not had the proper atmosphere in which to grow up, and that more than one person has been derelict in his duties toward you. After due reflection, this court has decided it will take over the jurisdiction and will so inform your father. Your able and dynamic attorney will explain to you the legal steps involved and the measure of cooperation we expect from you. That is all.
No, Mr. Hornwell, he hasn't come back from court yet. He should be here any minute. Yes, I'll tell him just as soon as he gets in. All right. Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
Any messages, Miss Spear?
Oh, a few.
How'd it go with Mr. Halford, sir?
Pretty good, see? I think they're going to settle out of court.
Oh, Mr. Horn just called. He wants to know if you'd like to go to Connecticut for some golf this weekend.
There's nothing here, won't keep till Monday. Joe Horn? Mm-hmm. Hey, that sounds pretty... Connecticut. No, I don't know the statutes in Connecticut. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, Miss Spear, this weekend. I'm going to go fishing by myself. No golf, Miss Spear. Fishing.
This has been a 4-star production.